Microsoft is using virtual honeypot traps to outsmart scammers by creating fake, valuable-looking systems that lure in cybercriminals. These honeypots act as decoys, tricking hackers into thinking they've breached important data or systems. Once hackers take the bait, Microsoft's security teams monitor and analyze their moves in real time. The traps provide critical insights into the scammers' tools, tactics, and behaviors. By learning from the attackers, Microsoft strengthens its security systems, patching vulnerabilities before real damage is done. The use of AI and machine learning enhances these honeypots, allowing them to adapt to hacker activity and gather valuable data on cyber threats. A real-world example includes a group of hackers who believed they had breached a company's email servers, only to find they were trapped in a honeypot. Microsoft used the information gathered to prevent future attacks and stop the scam before any real harm was done. This strategy not only protects businesses, but also helps keep personal data secure. Honeypots, powered by artificial intelligence, are changing the cybersecurity landscape by catching hackers in the act and stopping them in their tracks. As hackers evolve, these traps will become even more advanced, learning from each attack and becoming stronger. Microsoft's proactive approach to cyber defense is a major step forward in keeping the digital world safe from the growing threats of cybercrime. This technology is set to play a key role in the future of cybersecurity, ensuring that scammers are always one step behind. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more insights on AI and cybersecurity, and check out the link in the description for the best VPN to keep your data secure. Stay curious, stay safe, and stay ahead of the hackers.